Okay, I'm at O'Reilly Auto Parts in Newburgh, and the manager called us and said that some of his sprinklers just were not coming on. So we came out here, we turned on the zone, the only zone that was working here in the front yard. So there were three, one over there, one here, and then one over here. And those were hitting most of the lawn, but then there's a dead spot right over there. And he said, it's always been dead. I can't figure it out. Why is that section of the yard dead? And so he called us and he said, we're the third company that has come out here to resolve the issue, and we figured it out. So what we started doing, we connected a hose to this sprinkler over here because we were thinking, because nothing was coming out of this sprinkler when we turned this zone on. And so what we did is we connected a hose here, and then we found wet spots over here, which led us to another sprinkler right here. And we thought, well, the pipe is continuing to go this way, so there has to be another one here, roughly 20 feet or so, and sure enough, we found one. So that'll cover this whole area. But the funny part is, this job, somebody came here and said, I'm done, I don't want to do any more work, screw it. And they came up with this. So this pipe runs from the valve up into the sprinkler here, and it connects to the other two sprinklers that are on this zone. But this pipe is supposed to go into this pipe, and this one was just laying there. And when we connected a hose to this one in the corner over there, that shot water through this pipe over here, and then it came over here, and then it came out here, and it just started spewing water. So we knew that all we needed to do was just connect this pipe here to this one here, and then that will feed water to the other three sprinklers on this lawn, and then one zone will cover the whole thing. So, yeah, another good day's work.